Guys, I'm at the gym right now. Now it's like 7 o'clock. I'm hitting legs right now. They're killing me. I think after the gym, I have class at 10 o'clock. I'll be home by like 8:30. My leg day doesn't take too long. I just have math class today. After the gym, I'm gonna hop on with shorts, see what I can get. And yeah, stay tuned. Guys, I just got done with the gym. Right now it is 8:44. I have class in 1 hour. Right now I'm about to go home. Like I said earlier, I'm going to eat something, hop on those shorts for like an hour, see what I can get. One thing I was thinking about today in the gym is like, what are your intentions, right? I heard one of my friends say this. Everything you do, what are your intentions behind it, right? Make sure that you're doing it with the right intent. Waking up every morning to go to the gym, right? Like, what are my intentions? Yes, I want to be successful, but my intentions are to have like a good day. You know what I'm trying to say? To like, not only success, but to get my brain straight, to get my thoughts organized. That's my intention. Success comes with right intent. Make sure you know what your intentions are before you do anything, because if not, you're not gonna have a really, a growth day mentally. You're gonna kind of be stuck. And that's my take on that. I'm about to go home. I'm gonna trade. I'll update you guys after my class. The thing I wanted to say is that 1% rule is really true. You can't get too caught up in your thoughts about success. It's not going to happen in one day if you think about it too much. You have to give yourself credit on what you're doing and fully give yourself credit, right? If you had a bad gym day, ask yourself what you could have done better, but still give yourself 1% for going to the gym. Yes, it's good to have a money mindset. Yes, it's good to want to be successful, but don't get too caught up in thinking of that, because you'll never be able to live in the present. Yeah, I'll see you guys later. I'm about to just drive home and do what I gotta do. I'll see you guys later. Guys, right now it's 9:46. I have class at 10:05. I don't really see a trading opportunity right now, and also I'm not even gonna try to rush into a trade when I have to start getting ready in like 5 minutes to leave the house. It's looking pretty interesting. I'm gonna talk to you guys more about it later. It's looking a lot like yesterday's market open. I definitely see a trade opportunity. Wednesdays are my favorite day to trade. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait for my key levels to be hit exactly the way I want it, and after that, put a trade in. See how it goes, and I'll update you guys later. Alright, yeah, so guys, I'm not really liking how any of this is looking. What I'm waiting for is a break of structure to the upside, and I want to see how it plays around over here. If I'm liking how this looks in this area, then I'm going to see if I can get a trade in this area. But if not, I'm going to have to wait and see if it can even get back up to these highs. It's capable of being up here. Either I put a trade in right here, or I'm going to wait till it breaks these new highs right here and put a trade in around this area. As of right now, I'm just not going to put a trade in. Alright guys, so we're on the setup now. Right now it is almost 11:30, it's 11:26. I took a trade earlier in the day. This was at around 12:40 p.m. I took 2 trades today, but I ended the day in $600 profit. The first trade I took, I lost at around $300. Same thing that happened yesterday. First trade I took, let me just mark this up real quick. My buys stayed the same for the second trade. I just knew that I entered wrong, which is why I took another trade in like 10 minutes later. I know you're not supposed to trade. There should be a gap of at least 30 minutes per trade. But my bias was so strong towards this that I was willing to put another trade in. But every time you lose a trade, you have to keep an open mind and make sure that it's not really affecting your view of the market. So I lost this trade. The way that it was playing out was really interesting. It was rejecting really well. It broke back below the support level and then pushed back above it. So I got stopped out right around here. If it didn't push back above the way it did like this, I would have not put another trade in. I just put another limit order in, and I lost $300 here, but I made 900 right here. All right, I made $900 right here. So I ended the day off in $500 to $600 profit. I did plan on taking another trade if it broke above this resistance right here. The problem is it happened so much later in the day, right? It happened around 4 p.m. Who's trading at 4 p.m.? No one's doing that. And when it did, I didn't really look at the charts at all after this happened right here. I just kind of moved on with my day. It did end up breaking above, but it didn't break above the way I wanted to. Never retested it. It just kind of kept on shooting up. We were aware of this. We were aware that it wanted to go up, right? Because this happened either pre-market or post-market. No, this happened right as market opened up. So we knew it wanted to go up there. I'm happy I hopped off the charts when I did. As you can see, I would have not even had a trade opportunity once it did break above. I only took 2 trades today. I ended the day off in $600 profit. That was my trading day. Everything that happens in the market beforehand, though, plays such a huge role in my trade itself. I was maybe on the charts for like what time? I was on the charts for like 2 or 3 hours staring at it. And when this happened, I remember I made a clip of it. It wasn't looking good. But the fact that it reversed the way it did so strongly to the upside, the way that people made this flip back up, right? You're just reading the market. The market has emotions, and it's showing us that it wants to go back up. So I knew that the market was going to reach past this level sometime throughout the day. Just by the way market opened up, I have that instinct now. I knew it was going to break these levels. So I knew it had to cross the meat of the market for the day. The fact that it rejected the way it did after I made that clip earlier made me more confident in my trade, right? You just have to be confident in what you see. You can't doubt your bias. And most importantly, stay humble. Don't really let your emotions get in the way. Ever feeling like you're, maybe overthinking or some type of emotion that's not feeling right with you in the market, you have to remind yourself, like, be calm, be collected, and trading should not affect the way your day goes. I won these trades. Like, I had a profitable day today, but that didn't really boost my mood. It didn't, nothing. It just made me stay neutral. It should be the same with, other traders out there. I try to keep as little as emotion as I can when it comes to trading. Days that I do lose trades, I don't want to let that L day affect my day, right? Because trading is only such a small portion of your day. So please just remember that, guys. And you guys, if you're trying to get into trading, if you just stay mentally strong and don't let trading affect your day, you will be successful. So definitely stay tuned for more videos like this. And yeah, stay blessed, guys. Have a good one.